Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of an Wille wig called Push Up. And the color on Push Up is called Mango Rooted. Mango Rooted is really pretty. It's a 31, which is a really nice sort of medium copper color, blended with a 19, which is sort of like an ashy brown, and a 27, which is a caramel brown. So it's a decidedly warm color. Very pretty. You can see all those lovely sort of caramel highlights on top. Really pretty. And then it's got this luscious medium brown root. Very, very, very cute. Looks great on Push Up because Push Up has a ton of texture. She's also got some permatease, so she can really take advantage of the dynamic color and the rooting, which only helps with that. This wig has a ton of razored texture everywhere, and she looks better slightly sloppy because she's just cool looking that way. So this is supposedly a petite average cap size. I find it kind of comfortable on personally. It's snug for sure, but you know, the rest of my head is average with the exception of my perimeter, which is average large. And I find this accommodating enough that it's kind of comfortable on. This is a 2-ounce wig, which is nice and light. The front is a great bang length. It's 2.75 inches, so you can wear it down if you like. It's a really cute bang on this one. The crown down at 3.75, so quite short in the back. The sides are 2.25 and the nape is only 2. So let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you what Push Up looks like on all sides. Alright, so now I'm going to take this one off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. There's that color up close. Super, super cute. And there's the permatease top. So, this is an open cap wig. As I just showed you, it's permatease. Does have a monofilament crown insert at the very, very tippy top of the wig. I'll show that to you. And then quite a bit of permatease, primarily laid out here in sort of like a spade pattern. Then it's open here on the sides, open in the back, has an extended felt nape, and these Velcro adjusters. Also has a closed felt ear tab on each side. It's pretty stretchy here at the perimeter. As I said, it's not so stretchy here in the back. So if you really have a true large cap size and you need a lot of extra space up here, this wig will not give this to you at all. If you're true average large, and same thing, you got a lot of extra space up here, you have a large ear to ear measurement, this one won't work. But if you're like me and your ear to ear is within the average or petite average range, this one will more than likely accommodate you very easily, and it's very, very comfortable. This one's so easy too. It's a shake and go. You literally shake it, you don't have to comb it at all, and then you just stick it on. Kind of tame it for a second or two with your fingers. And that's it. You can't get easier than that. So this is the Push Up by Wille in the color Mango Rooted. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Be sure to check out my wig store. It's www.cysterwigs.com. You'll find lots of other helpful stuff there as well. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.